I ordered this spice rack set. I want to be able to be putting my different spice inside, so the spice rack come like this. And also I ordered this spice label. Maybe for example, I put curry in one of the rank. I'm going to write the name of the spice I put inside here, and I will stick it on it. We are going to open it now, and we are going to be putting our spice inside. So it come like this. Let me drop this one. So this is how it came. So this is the spice rank. As you can see, there are 6 inside, and this is exactly what I ordered, because at first I was a little bit scared that it's not going to come like this. So this is how it look like, and you can open it like this. You can open it like this. You put whatsoever you want to put inside. You close it. You close it back. Then you see, you can, if you want to put if you want to spicy your food, you open it like this. You pour it inside. You close it back.